Imagine waking up to the soft rustle of leaves, the gentle lapping of water against the shore, and the faint call of a loon echoing across the water. Welcome to Greenwood Lake, a hidden gem nestled amidst rolling hills and lush forests. This serene water body, straddling the border between New York and New Jersey, is a haven of tranquility and natural beauty. Now picture the homes here. Each one is an architectural masterpiece, standing out for their individuality yet blending harmoniously with the breathtaking landscape. These homes boast a myriad of unique features that speak volumes of the care and creativity invested in their design. Imagine a charming cottage-style home with a stone facade, surrounded by a white picket fence. It features a cozy fireplace for those chilly winter nights, and a sun-drenched patio perfect for summer barbecues. The cherry on top? A panoramic view of the shimmering lake right from the comfort of the living room. Or perhaps envision a modern, sleek home with floor-to-ceiling windows that invite an abundance of natural light. The interior flaunts an open concept design, creating a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas. The master suite comes with a luxe ensuite bathroom and a private balcony that offers an unobstructed view of the sparkling lake. And then there are the majestic multi-story homes complete with expansive decks, hot tubs, and private docks. These homes effortlessly marry luxury with comfort, offering a lifestyle that is both opulent and relaxed. But the true magic of these homes lies in their lake views. Every window frames a different perspective of the lake, turning each glance into a moment of awe. Whether it's the sunrise painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, or the moonlight dancing on the midnight waves, the lake views offer a visual treat that never gets old. The allure of Greenwood Lake extends beyond its homes. It's about the lifestyle it offers. The peaceful morning walks along the shore, the exhilarating water sports during the day, the serene boat rides at dusk, and the quiet stargazing nights. It's about the sense of community, the love for nature, and the joy of simple living. So, why just imagine? It's time to turn this dream into a reality. Greenwood Lake beckons you to explore its lakefront homes to find that perfect abode that resonates with your taste and fulfills your desires. Don't wait for the perfect moment, seize it. Embark on this journey today and step into a world where nature meets luxury in the most beautiful way.